'Tis the season for Christmas cookies. If you want to wow your guests with these Christmas tree treats, stay tuned.
Hey good people! Today for our Christmas special, we are going to be making Christmas cookies. Yay!
All right, what's the first step?
We are going to cream the butter. It's kind of softened. And the sugar, which is how much?
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups. Okay. Good.
1 teaspoon of salt.
I thought we were supposed to cream it at first.
Oh.
Let's get the creaming. Guys, we're going to add vanilla, salt, and an egg. So we use 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then we use 1 teaspoon. Oh, whatever. 1 teaspoon of salt.
No, that's good. Just use that. No, there's already a little bit.
Okay, there. And we add 1 egg. Then we add 2 eggs. So now we're going to put some flour in it to make it more jelly. Woo! It's like a snowstorm.
Snowstorm?
I'm so tired. I said you're gonna put 3 3/4 of a cup.
Now, since we're using
Swanny flour, we're going to just put a little bit of extra. There it is. We ain't got to know. If we should make a snowstorm in here. You can use the mixer, or you can get in deep with your hands. But we're gonna wait until a little bit more mixing to get in deep with your hands. Cause you know that's the best part. How much? My man He's like, your favorite.
Down your low. Your low.
Comment down below your favorite Christmas movie, and we'll pick some of y'all for a shout out in our next video.
So we lost the audio portion of this video, but that's okay. It was pretty straightforward here. I took the dough out of the refrigerator and now I'm rolling it out to be able to cut out the cookies. Here I'm just showing you that even though I don't have a circular cookie cutter, I'm just going to use a measuring spoon as a substitute. Taking those cookie cutters and I'm cutting out the stars. There are 6 cookie cutters, but one of them is really, really small, and you'll see that it causes me some problems. So we preset the oven to 375 degrees. Because it's a convection stove, the stove will automatically take down 25 degrees. So you'll see the stove is at 350 right now. The cookies are cut. They are ready to go in the oven, and they cook for roughly 12 to 15 minutes. So you have to keep an eye on them, otherwise they burn really quickly. All right. Remember I told you they burn really quickly? Well, here's the evidence. We did burn our first batch. Fortunately, we had several more successful batches, and we were still able to finish our project.
Now we're going to ice the cookies. Oh, you just put a little bit of confection sugar and some half and half, and you mix it together, and it makes like this wet ice. Look, royal icing, is that what it's called? Royal icing? Or no? It's like
confection sugar.
Yeah, what is it called?
Confection sugar.
No, the ice.
It's the glue to hold everything together.
It's the glue to hold everything together. So I just put it on top. Here we go. Then we put a circle, right? A circle.
So you don't have to be neat about it. You can just sprinkle, chisel it.
Then some icing on there. Then we put a smaller one. This size? Yeah.
If that's not gonna work, we could just pile ours without the circle.
Oh, got it.
That's right.
Then you put some icing on top.
You can just drizzle. It doesn't, you know what I'm saying? It can just be.
Ew, that doesn't look good.
It doesn't have to be fancy. It's just.
That needs to look good. Now we put another circle. Now we're gonna put smaller one. And you put a circle. So you're just putting a circle in between every single layer.
So this is our version of the 3D Christmas tree cookie. Our main goal was to have a blast with a family fun edible DIY project, and we did that. We chose to go casual, but the original idea was on a spicyperspective.com, and they were super fancy on that site. So you can do whatever works for you. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.